friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be me sharing all of the apps that I'm loving that I think you need in 2019, so stay tuned. I have been sharing sporadically some of my favorite apps on both Instagram and my channel, and so I decided to do a full-blown roundup of my top favorites. So I have some apps to make your home life better, to make your just overall productivity better, and then also to increase the cash back that you are making when you're shopping. Let's get into your home. Recently, this brand called Etekcity sent me these smart home outlets, and these I was so excited about because they're compatible with Amazon Alexa.
I was pleasantly surprised with how simple these were to set up. We had gotten a different brand of these Wi-Fi outlets and it was kind of a pain. It took me about 30 minutes to set up, and these were 10 minutes and done. So you literally plug it into the wall, download the app that's called VSync, and then you just go through the prompts to figure out you're setting up a Wi-Fi outlet, select the Wi-Fi outlet that you have, and then you literally are prompted on the screen of your phone. You hook it to Wi-Fi, and literally, like I said, 10 minutes, it's super quick and ready to go. Once you're all set up on your phone, you just plug in whatever you're using. In this case, it's our spare bedroom lamp. Once you plug it in, you can turn it on, and then you simply just use your app to turn it on and off. And I took it one step further, hooking it to my Amazon Alexa app, so then that way I could set a schedule and set timers and things that work with all of my other items in my house that are smart home enabled. So you can totally schedule these items on your VSync app, but I like to have everything all set up so that I can verbally tell it to turn on and off. Once you set up everything and follow the prompts in the Amazon Alexa app, then you can literally go through and talk to it. Alexa, turn off the office lamp. Alexa, turn on the office lamp.
These Etekcity Wi-Fi outlets are available on Amazon as a Prime item, so I will link those down below. I also have a full Amazon store now, which basically just has all of my favorite things corralled into one. So all my Cricut favorites, my home favorites, design, apparel, all of those things are all now centralized on Amazon, so you can go over and check them out when I mention them in videos. Wunderlist. So my boss shared this app with me a few months ago, and I absolutely love it. It is basically a list app. It could be kind of compared to like a OneNote, but you just download it onto your phone and then you can share it with people. So I use this for a variety of different things. We use it all throughout Christmas to know, okay, these are the presents you have to buy. These are the food items that we have to pick up at the grocery store for this event, that event. Just add things as you go. And the nice thing is it's cloud-based, so you can add your roommate, your husband, your mom, whoever is a person that you want to share a list with, and have them be able to add, delete, check off, etc. It helps with productivity, but my favorite use is adding Alex to it, and it can be our grocery list. We've got different lists for Costco, for Amazon, for the grocery store. We also go to Aldi and the Jewel-Osco near us, so we've got multiple options there, so it streamlines everything, and it's so nice to be able to share a list. Next up is cashback, what everybody loves to hear, right? I have a suite of apps that I use on a weekly basis to help us earn cash back. And a lot of these things you can either redeem for gift cards or you can redeem for PayPal credits, which is awesome. Especially a lot of these products you're just gonna buy anyway, so you might as well get some cash back on them. First one I have shared about before, but it is called Ibotta. And basically the concept is you go through the app, you select the different items that you're gonna purchase at the store. Sometimes they make you read a offer or watch a video, and then they add that to your cart. Once you get done shopping, you head home, you scan your receipt, and voila, you have that money in your account. Over the course of the time that I've had my app, I've made over $75, which is awesome because that's literally free money. And there was a period there where life got a little crazy, and there were a few months where I didn't scan at all, so I had a little blip there. But I will have a link down in the description box below. If you use that link, you are able to get some initial points to start off your account, so then you will be that much closer to a gift card. While we're on the topic of groceries, this next app has been one of my most recent favorites, and that is called the Fetch Rewards app. I saw this randomly on the iTunes store when I was downloading another app, and I thought I'd try it out. Basically, if you buy anything name brand at any kind of grocery store at any time, you're gonna want this because it is awesome. It's another receipt scanning app, but you just literally scan your stuff and it will find the different offers for you. I do have a referral code for the Fetch Rewards app down in the description box, so be sure to click that link, and then if you just enter the code, you will get an initial deposit of points into your account, and then you'll be that much closer to a gift card there as well. Another one I think that's really flown under the radar, at least to me, I haven't heard other people talking about it, is Shopkick. Now, this is a little bit different because it's not totally grocery based. So there's 3 different things you can do in the Shopkick app. You can get points, or they call kicks, by walking into a store. So stores like Best Buy, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, when I'm walking into those stores on my lunch break to just go shopping, you just open the app and you get points for just walking into the store. They also have scan points, so as you're walking around certain stores, you can scan certain items. Different companies pay for that, so scan a DVD, scan a bike, a helmet, etc. Whatever it is, there's been random stuff, Legos. You can go around, scan those items, and you'll get points for that. And then finally, you can get points from your transactions. So I just have my Visa card hooked up to the account for my Shopkicks, and every time I shop at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or Home Goods, it takes maybe about a week, but then it takes those points that I earned from the purchase, which I'm there a lot, don't tell my husband, and it puts it right into the account, and then you can redeem those for gift cards. So I've gotten a ton of Starbucks gift cards just by walking in on lunch, and a lot of times I'll just go over there to walk around and get away from my desk, and it's really nice if you are a Ray Dunn hunter and you're in there all the time, just get points while you're in there. The next one is Ebates. So this is not new, you've probably heard of this, but if you aren't using Ebates and you shop online, shame on you. Literally, it is the easiest thing, especially if you do a lot of online shopping, and what you're gonna wanna do is use the tools that they've provided you to get more bang for your buck. So basically, it's just an extension or a site that you go to basically tell Ebates, okay, I'm shopping at Michael's, Macy's, Walmart, Target, any of those big places online, and then it'll give you X amount of percentage back. So sometimes it could be 3%, but I've seen days, especially around the holidays, where it goes up to 15–20% back. I've gotten a ton of stuff on gifts that I bought from Snapfish. We bought all of our wedding booklets from there, got a ton of cash back. So what you're gonna wanna do is, if you use the computer to do Ebates, you're gonna wanna use the Google Chrome browser and add an extension. All it does is, up in the corner when you go to somewhere like an Old Navy, it's just gonna pop up and let you know how much cash back is eligible. Go ahead and click it, and then you are seriously good to go. It will confirm that it's on there. If you make a purchase, it will add it to your account a few days later. A kicker that I had with this is that I do a lot of shopping on my mobile device. So what I did was I added the Ebates app to my phone, and all you do is go through, search Old Navy that way, and then it'll take you to the website. So then that way you can just log into your account for your saved cart and go ahead and purchase that way, and then you'll get points there as well. I have not used the in-store features of Ebates, but I have seen more and more stores be added, so I'm sure I'll try it in the future. If you have, comment down below and let me know how your in-store Ebates experience went. And finally, this is kind of a bonus tip because it's really not the app itself, but I didn't know this and I wanted to share it with you. If you are an Uber user and you have a Visa card, be sure that it is linked in your account. And I say this because I didn't realize this, but they have a thing going on called local offers. So certain merchants in your area are part of this local offers, and they will take your purchases that you've made on your Visa card and add credits to Uber. So we get some when we do sometimes at Jimmy John's, sometimes when we use our card to pay at the Chili's by our house. And we were able to get 3 or 4 free Uber rides when we were at Disney World, just because we used our card at these places that we were already gonna eat from anyway. So head into your Uber app, make sure your Visa card is linked, and then you can also Google Visa local offers and it will explain all that to you. I hope this video got you excited and shared some apps that maybe you aren't currently using, or apps that you needed another nudge to go check out. If you download any of them and start earning cash back, let me know either down below or on Instagram. I love to see how you guys are using the tips and tricks I share. Like I mentioned, everything, all the apps that I mentioned are linked down below, as well as any other resources that I wanted to share. Also, I will link that Amazon store down below so you can kind of see everything, especially all of you that ask me, what Cricut vinyl do I use? Or, where'd that throw come from in your Instagram photo? Be sure to check out that Amazon account. And thank you to Etekcity for sending me those Wi-Fi outlets. Be sure to check them out down below. They're so great to pair with your Amazon voice device, and they will just make your life so much easier. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!